Congratulations, Mom! Although your due date is still 3 weeks away, your baby is officially considered full term in your 37th week.
This means that if your little one were born today, the lungs would be mature enough to adjust to life outside the womb without medical assistance. Babies born prior to this week are considered premature, and those that arrive after the 41st week are called post-term. Your now full-term baby weighs about 6 1/3 pounds and is about the length of a stalk of Swiss chard, 19 inches or so. Your baby will continue to put on weight at a slower rate of about 1 ounce a day until birth. Boys tend to be a bit bigger at birth than girls are, and first-time babies may be smaller than those born to seasoned moms. Just a couple more weeks to go. To find out what happens during each, check back here for your video updates.